Welcome to PuntaCanaVilla.com, where luxury meets convenience in Punta Cana. Discover our exquisite Bavaro condos for sale, nestled within the gated Caribbean Gardens community. Each penthouse features 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a constructed area of 1345.49 square feet, providing ample space for comfortable living. Indulge in luxury with a rooftop jacuzzi, spacious walk-in closets, and cozy balcony offering tropical breeze. Residents enjoy a plethora of amenities, from a swimming pool and billiards area to a wellness area and outdoor gym. Don't miss this opportunity to own a luxurious penthouse in Bavaro. Reserve with just $2,000 and take advantage of our payment plan. 10% down payment, 30% during construction, and 60% upon property delivery. Seize the opportunity to own your dream home in Punta Cana. Contact us today.